Hello everyone, I'm Joanne. Welcome to my craft room. I am an affiliate for Spellbinders and other companies. There's links below for you to click on when you do that and place an order. I receive a small commission and that's at no cost to you. Thank you so much for all your support. Look at this box. Oh my goodness. I've never had in my hands the Christmas kit. And this is amazing. I have not opened it yet. I took the packaging off and I opened it like this much, but I did not open the inside. I want to do this with you guys, but first I want to show you. I mean, this is huge. This is the Handmade Holiday Christmas Kit. It's $50, and let's see what we get, because I'm just amazed. I am just amazed. So I'm going to take this out of the box. Has that nice sticker right there from Spellbinders. I bet I'm going to have to rip it. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Well, I got lucky there, right? And here we go. Oh my goodness. What in the world? I have never. So here are the contents. I'm amazed. Look guys, there's envelopes, card bases already folded for you, 5x7s, A2 and A7 cards. Oh my goodness, with envelopes. With envelopes. I am amazed. Hold on, I'll read that in just a sec. I have to look quickly. I need to look quick. This is fun. Look at all these embellishments. There are die cuts. These are like puffy. That's so cute. I love this rose. They're featuring a lot of the rose this year. Stickers, double-sided tape, sequins. Look at those. Sequins are beautiful. I love sequins. I love their sequins because they're solid. A stamp set. Let's see. I love this for the side of a card. Handmade with love. Fa la 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 la. Let's deck the halls with love and laughter. Wishing you a season that's merry and bright, with lots of love for Christmas and for always. Warmest wishes. We wish you a Merry Christmas, season's greetings, a nice Merry Christmas in script. Peace and love. Wait, peace, love, and joy. See, I would do peace and love, joy, but no, peace, love, and joy. So there's that. Cute. 2 snowflakes. That is really nice. Get a nice stamp set. And embellishments. They're like a blushy color. And more cut. Oh, look at these with the stamps. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Oh, these are puffy. These are all puffy. Oh, these will be easy to put together. Look at this, a nice 6x6 pad of paper. Roses, candy canes. There's more of the roses there, here. Greens, all kinds of trees, holly, speckled, like typeset. Really, really pretty paper. Let's just open it. Why not? Even though we just looked at the front of it, right? It's always best to look at the... Oh, look at the Santas! Those are Santas, guys. And then green and wreathy. And this is wonderful paper. Look how pretty that is. I love the background right there. And like I said, the typeset, candy cane like stripes, tags, roses, like destination stamps. Little polka dot there to go with this. Oh, that's pretty. These two together are very pretty. So I had to open this up all the way. Look at how gorgeous this is. It's, you know, like where you just peel it off right here. And just so, look at those Santas. I was like, oh my gosh, I've got to open this as soon as I ran across those two that coordinated. And it also coordinates with this and that. There's 3 pieces that this one polka dot coordinates with. That's wonderful. Look at the nice plaid. Oh, look at that. Little diamonds, trees, speckles. Really, really nice set of paper. So, 40 sheets, 20 designs, includes 6 foil sheets. So very nice. I'm all about good paper, right? I cannot believe these envelopes alone. Okay, let's see my little thing. And now here is a paper pack that they send with it. This is all included in this kit. I'm shocked. Look at this mirrored cardstock. This is amazing, guys. This is just fun. Look at all of this paper. I can't believe I got this in here. I did not know when I signed up to get this. I didn't know what it was. Here's red, green, blue, lighter blue, almost like a, it's not white, but it's not vanilla. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty. Black. There's like a brown. That's almost like a craft paper. Pink. You know, because sometimes, and lighter pink. Sometimes we don't like to, and a light yellow, to do the traditional colors, right? We have gold mirror and 2 pieces of silver mirrored cardstock. That is amazing. 14 smooth cardstocks, 2 gold foils, 2 silver foils. Absolute. Well, I'm very impressed with this kit. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to sit here and I'm going to play with this kit. And I'm going to make some cards. And then I'll come back and show you what all I've done. How about that? We'll do something a little different with this because it's a kit. And I will just go ahead and make some pretties. I know I'm fumbling with this. Here we go. Just wanted to put it back. Let me make some pretties because look at this. That is so cute. I love I am amazed. All of the cutouts, the die cuts, look at them, just down to the littlest details, right? So let's just have fun with this. Oh, I said I was going to read this, right? 13 A2 size plus 13 envelopes, 12 5x7 plus 12 envelopes. That's so wonderful. 14 sheets of cardstock, 4 sheets of foiled paper, 6x6 sheet paper pad, die cut shapes, die cut floral shapes, chipboard elements, cardstock stickers, clear stamp set, gemstone sequins, puffy stickers, foam squares, and adhesive tape. This is it. This is all you need. If you don't have a whole lot of room for a lot of Christmas things, this would give you versatility, probably all that you would need. And this would probably be it right here. So I'll be back in a little bit. I'm going to make some cards and I'll be right back to show you. Okay, I had to turn the camera back on. You know me better than this, just to do a bunch of cards and then just show it to you. But I just wanted to show you how simple that these are. So I took an A2 card base. Now these are all die cuts, 4 of them, out of this, the one with the flowers. Okay, we have one with flowers and then we have some sentiments with Christmas trees and other things. Now I've also found that here's what I did. I took everything, I put my sticker up there on my box because I liked it. So I'm going to be using the box. Now, I promise you, these are not staying in these packages. Okay, they're going to get scattered out all over this box. In fact, I really kind of want to do that right now because this is the only way that you're going to use them. If they're all packed up, you tend not to, look at all of this. Oh my goodness, you tend not to use, what you have. I've learned this before from die cuts that I've had. And so I'm just going to take them out of the package and just have fun with them, knowing that it's just this, the handmade holiday package here. Look at this. Look at that little December 25th. I think that's so cute. And I'm just going to empty all of this out. Oh, there's a cute bird and a star. And see, this will allow, oh, look at Santa. See, I will just start looking through here. But if you have things packed up, I don't know if you're like me, then I'm like, okay, they're all packed up. And I leave it like that. So I want this in the bottom of my box. I want my embellishments, my stamp set, more puffy. Look, both sides. Ooh, that has a puffy joy on it. I wanted to use Joy on this card. I might we'll choose. I'm glad I turned that over. Some sequins I'm going to use. And then I noticed that on this side where the stamps were, right here is more stickers of sentiments. So I'm not using any cardstock yet, printed paper yet. I am going to use my foam dots. And I was thinking about this Joy or this Joy. See, this one's a little bit smaller. I kind of like this one. I'm going to use this one. Okay. And so yes, I just wanted to show you, and I'm not going to use any paper. I just have the base of the card here. So let's just go ahead, because I think the white looks so pretty. Let's go ahead and place this. And like I said, use your foam that comes with it. And then cut these strips, okay? And then cut these, because that's adhesive also. I'll put one in the middle for stability on this, it being the big one. And I'm going to place my rose right here. And now I want to bring in some pine cones with greenery. And I want to, of course, see, I've put my adhesive. That would look pretty right there, right? And I want to, this one I want to glue down, okay, because that's up with foam dots. So this one I just want to glue down. This is just a great kit. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, I hate to, no, got to come down here. I like those little berries on there. But if I'm coming out to the side here, we're not going to be able to get it. Not on that one, but we will right here. So this one I'm going to place like right down in there. And again, I'm going to glue this down. And this time I really want to see those berries. And I'm coming right to the edge of my card here. And now this one, let's go ahead and put that in right in there. Just like that. Just like that. Let's do Joy. Look, this card, look at how nice that looks. Just on white. And then you can take an embellishment and embellish your envelope if you'd like to. It's always fun. I haven't done envelopes in a very long time. Okay, this would be the time to do this. Okay. Can I drop it down just a little bit more? There. I'll just get my J. O. And Y. This is a very fast, easy, and fun card. I'm done. Wow. That's amazing. Let's see. I don't know which would look better, and I want to put some because we have them. Oh no, that peach looks good. I like the peach better than I do the blue because of that flower right there. So let's go ahead and take this out. And let's go with these mediums right here. Let's cascade just a couple right there, and then maybe one here. Let's do that. How's that? Nice. Yes. So there is one card that quick, boom, put together with this wonderful set. I'll be back in a minute, and I will show you some that I put together using some more of the paper. But I had to get on here really quick and do this one with you. It's that simple to use this kit. Just wonderful. And then do an envelope. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I just wanted to pop back on real quick. It didn't take me any time. Of course, we did this one together on camera together, which it came out so pretty. But then I did these two. I did the little choo-choo train here on an A2 size card. It will open like landscape like this. And I used the sequins here. Really cute, right? Fast, fun, and easy. I just cut a piece of the 6x6 paper by like 2.5 inches. I cut a swoop, and it makes it look like the snow is on top of the sky, but it's really not. This piece of paper is on top of the card. And I popped this up with just some of the dimensionals that they sent, the foam dots, and here we go, and just stuck this right under here. The most wonderful time of the year. And here's what I did with the envelope. I put the little ticket on there. Isn't that cute? And then I did a star in the back. And then I made a 5x7 card here with this beautiful saying, "May warmth and happiness fill your home these holidays." Really nice. This piece right here is one piece, and I cut it in half to hide my seam. Let me give you the dimensions of this card. So the base is a 10x7 scored at 5. Okay, so 10x7 scored at 5. That's a 5x7 card. Then the red, which comes, everything comes from the kit. So I've really had fun with that. So the red piece is 6 3/4 by 4 3/4. The green piece is 6.5 by 4.5. And what I did with the pattern paper was I cut each piece 3 by 4. And then I put it together here. Now, don't think that I used the entire part of the red and the green. I went ahead with some dies that I have, and I just cut out the center of the red and the center of the green just to give me a border. And now I can either use these together, that would look really great together, right? For a card, which I probably will, especially with this kit. And so I can do this with that, you know, and then, or I can cut, you know, die cuts out of it if I wanted to later on. But I just wanted to show you that I did cut the center out of the red and the green, and nobody knows anything on that, you know, so you can't tell. So I put the little stickers out here that they're just a little puffy. I believe they'll go through the mail just fine. They're really flat. And so I think that would be good. But hey, this is a fantastic set to have fun with. You could sit down with your family and make a ton of Christmas cards, or some of your friends, some of your crafty friends, and sit down and get your Christmas cards made. They will come out beautifully just by piecing things together, doing just a little bit of cutting with the paper, and you've got a wonderful creation. So the link is below for this kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and look for videos coming I'll probably sneak some in every now and again, you know, using this kit, because this would be great to get my Christmas cards done. So that's what I'll probably do, is sneak a video in every now and again, putting one together. So thanks again for watching. See you next time.